push-up test is a fitnessgram test that is designed to measure upper body muscular endurance levels. Muscular endurance is defined as the ability of a muscle group or group of muscles to sustain repeated contractions against a resistance for an extended period of time. The objective of the push-up test is to complete as many 90-degree push-ups as possible while maintaining proper form at a specified rate. In this case, students will follow a cadence, performing one push-up every 3 seconds. Before you conduct the test, you will need a stereo or some other type of speaker system that has the capability of playing CDs. The FitnessGram CD that has the official cadence for the test, a scoring sheet to record the number of repetitions each student performs, and you can also use yoga mats to help remind the students of hand placement. To conduct the push-up test, the student should begin with the hands and toes touching the floor. The hands should be shoulder width apart or slightly wider than shoulder width, with the elbows locked out. The body should be in a straight line from head to toe with the feet slightly apart. Keeping the back and knees straight, the subject lowers the body until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows, then returns back to the starting position with the elbows fully extended. The tempo of the push-ups will follow a cadence provided by FitnessGram. The students will perform one push-up every 3 seconds. The student will repeatedly perform push-ups until they are too fatigued to continue. Each student is allowed one form break during the test. When the teacher observes the first form break, they will notify the student. Once the student breaks form a second time, the test is over and the teacher will stop the student from continuing. Students may drop the hips to the floor or overcompensate by pressing their weight back and raising their hips high into the air. This can happen if the student does not have the necessary strength to perform a standard push-up. The student may place their hands too wide and the elbows may bow out. This can cause shoulder pain over time and will decrease power output when pushing back up. The hands could also be placed in a too narrow position. Placing the hands too close together will cause the student to overuse their triceps and not allow them to utilize the pectorals as designed. The student may be more worried about the number of repetitions than the form. Students should focus on controlling the lowering phase and focus on quality over quantity. When performing the push-up test, the feet should only have a slight space in between them. The healthy fitness zone for the push-up test differs depending on factors such as age and gender. Shown here are the healthy fitness zone numbers for females from age 5 to 17. The numbers increase with age. In contrast, here are the health fitness zone numbers for males from age 5 to 17. These numbers also increase with age. The push-up test is a measure of muscular endurance, which is one of the 5 health-related components of fitness. Improving muscular endurance can result in many benefits for students, such as improved bone density, improved posture, increases in lean body mass, improvement in everyday tasks such as lifting objects, and reduction in injury risk. To improve their push-up test scores, students should perform resistance training exercises on a weekly basis that improve the muscular strength and endurance of their pectoral muscles as well as their triceps, such as push-ups or bench press. Students can also perform exercises that emphasize core control and maintaining a neutral spine, such as plank variations.